Hey guys, welcome back. So today is Sunday. I'm going to be meal prepping today. This is the day that I always try to get as much done as possible to make sure that I'm ready for the work week because I do get tired. So I'm going to show you what I have on my to-do list. So here is my little calendar. I just look at the week ahead and I just see what I have on my meal plan list and see what I can prep today. So I'm going to be prepping for tacos, the broccoli chicken casserole, and tater tot casserole. So I also prep our breakfast. So I'm going to be making egg, sausage, muffin, and corned beef hash for Terry. And then I'm going to be making bacon, egg, and cheese bagels for myself. And then for dinner, I have one dinner that needs chicken, and then burger for tacos and burger for tater tot casserole. I'm not going to put seasonings in or anything, but I am going to go ahead and fry the hamburgers so that it's ready to go. And then I don't know how many eggs I have, but I'm going to try and make some brownies just because I like to have something sweet for us, when we're feeling it. So let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm just going to brown my sausage, and while the sausage is browning, I'm going to get started with Terry's scrambled eggs. If you notice in the background, I am watching Friends on my iPad while I'm doing all this. Just kind of makes the time go by faster. And I'm also wearing my favorite Friends t-shirt. If you haven't figured it out already, Friends is my favorite TV show. Moving on, I'm separating the meal prep containers, and I'm just going to put the corned beef hash in the smaller sections. Now that the eggs are done, I move them to the sausage pan, and I'm just going to fill up the bigger sections of the meal prep containers with the egg and sausage mixture. Now I'm going to go ahead and get started on the brownies. I literally just follow the directions on the back of the box, and whenever I bake it for the least amount of time that it requires, and my brownies always turn out pretty good. So next I'm working on the eggs for my bagels. I got these rings from the Kitchen Collection store and I put it in the dishwasher the first time that I used it and it's all warped. So I was struggling with one of them, but they all turned out just fine on top of my bagels. I'm gonna get started on the muffins. I just followed the directions on the back of the package. I think you just add milk to these and then just cook them for like 14 minutes, I think. But these muffins are so dry, so I probably will not buy these again. I'll try and figure out something else to make. But Terry likes them for his breakfast, so they worked for this week. So now I'm going to cook one of the chicken breasts. This was actually frozen, so I just put it in the crock pot. I put a few seasonings on, and then I cooked it for about 2.5 hours on low, and it turned out perfect. And then I'm going to go ahead and get started on our taco meat for the week. By this point, I was pretty tired and Terry was getting ready to get home from hunting, so I just moved the uncooked hamburger to freezer bags, and I put one of them in the fridge for tater tot casserole and the other in the freezer so we can use that later. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.